Ever printed a float and got 0.30000000000000004? Ugly, right? Python's format spec mini-language fixes that instantly. Clean, aligned, professional.
Ay majas.
Episode 36, String Formatting Deep Dive. F-strings, format specs, format, and template. By the end, your output will look production ready. Let's go. F-strings already format values inline. But the real power is after the colon. That colon starts the format spec. F braces value colon spec. Spec controls width, alignment, precision, and type. Without it, you just get str of the value. With it, you control exactly how it looks. Same mini-language works in F-strings and format. Alignment controls where text sits in its width. Less than means left align. Greater than means right align. Caret means center. Colon greater than 10, right aligned in 10 chars. Add a fill character right before the symbol. Star greater than 10 pads with stars, not spaces. Numbers right align by default. Strings left align by default. The format spec really shines with numbers. .2f rounds to 2 decimal places. Comma adds thousands separators automatically. Comma .2f together currency style numbers. Percent sign multiplies by 100, adds percent. 1%, clean 1 decimal percentage display. E gives scientific notation for huge or tiny numbers. XOB hex, octal, and binary instantly.
No manual mat. The spec does it all.
Format and str.format predate F-strings. Same spec language, different syntax. Format a value, spec one value at a time. .format on a string, multiple placeholders at once. Curly braces 0, 1 positional arguments. Curly braces name, keyword arguments. Great for templates you reuse with different data.
F-strings can't be saved and reused. Format can. Let's build something live.
A sales report, names, amounts, percentages. Unformatted first, misaligned columns, ugly floats. Now watch the format spec fix it. Less than 20 for names, left aligned column. Greater than 10, comma, .2f for amounts. Greater than 8, 1% for share. 1 spec per column, perfectly aligned table.
That's a real report built in 5 lines.
Quick 30-second favor before we keep going. If that aligned table just upgraded your prints, this channel is for you. 1 subscribe helps this reach more Python devs. Tap it. 2 seconds. Okay, template strings and advanced specs next. Template strings are a safer alternative. From string import template. Template of $name, placeholder syntax. Substitute fills in the values. No code execution. No format spec attacks.
Use it when the template comes from a user.
F-strings can run arbitrary expressions. Template can't. Safe underscore substitute skips missing keys instead of crashing. A few advanced format spec tricks. Plus sign always shows the sign on numbers. Plus, .2f, always plus or minus shown. Width and precision can be dynamic too. Colon, curly width, curly precision, F nested fields. Pass width and precision in as variables. Bang are calls representing instead of str.
Bang S and bang A exist too, rarely needed.
Which formatting tool for which job? Quick one-off inline formatting, F-strings. Reusable templates with placeholders, format. Untrusted or user-supplied templates, template. Old percent style formatting, avoid in new code. Align tables, format spec width and alignment. Currency and percentages, comma and percent in the spec.
Default to F-strings unless you have a real reason.
Common string formatting mistakes. Mistake 1, forgetting the colon before the spec.
Without it, the spec is just literal text.
Mistake 2, using percent formatting in new code. It's older, less readable, easy to misuse. Mistake 3, F-strings on untrusted templates.
They can execute arbitrary expressions. Risky.
Mistake 4. Missing keys with .format. It raises key error instead of failing silently. Mini project, a leaderboard formatter. A list of players, scores, and ranks. Step 1. Left align names in a fixed width. Step 2. Right align scores with thousands commas. Step 3. Show rank change with a sign.
Step 4. Center the metal emoji column.
1 format spec per column. Clean leaderboard. Your challenge. You have a list of products with prices and stock. Step 1. Format prices as currency with 2 decimals. Step 2. Right align stock counts in a fixed width. Step 3. Flag out-of-stock items clearly. Bonus. Use template for a user-editable receipt.
Paste your solution in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let's recap. F-strings, the colon starts the format spec. Alignment less than, greater than, caret plus a fill char. Number formats, comma, dot precision F, percent, E hex. Format, reusable templates with positional or keyword args. Template, safe substitution for untrusted input. Next episode enums. Clean constants for state machines and configs. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow.
String formatting unlocked.
Clean, aligned, professional output every time. Now you know exactly which tool to reach for. Subscribe for the next episode. Drop your leaderboard formatter in the comments. I'm Mahaz. See you in episode 37.